All right, this problem says a right triangle ABC is shown. What is the cosine of angle A? So over here we have our right triangle ABC. The problem is asking us to find the cosine of angle A. So when it says that, we know that angle A here is our reference angle. So it's not marked as an acute angle on the picture. It's not marked with our symbol theta, but by telling us to find the cosine of A, we know that angle A is our reference angle. So if we are finding the cosine of A from our state test reference sheet, we know that the ratio for cosine of an angle is the adjacent leg over the hypotenuse. So we're comparing the length of the adjacent leg to the length of the hypotenuse. In our figure here, in triangle ABC, if we're looking at angle A, the adjacent leg is the leg that touches both the reference angle and the right angle. So here, our adjacent leg has a value of 8, and our hypotenuse has a value of 17. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle. And remember, if you take your pencil and put it at the right angle and draw an arrow across, you will always hit the hypotenuse. So here, the cosine of angle A is 8 over 17. So the cosine of angle A is 8 over 17.